I'm a college graduate. Of course, dahil di nakapag-exam, kaya ito ang hinahanap na trabaho. I'm a college graduate. Of course, kahit may trabaho ka na, kailangan mo pa rin magtipid. I'm a college student, of course, with a tambay degree. Ate, sendors pa nga dyan. I'm a college graduate. Of course, kailangan ko makahanap ng foreigner para maging successful na akong life.